1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making one of my favorite game day recipes. We are making our super easy 7-layer Mexican dip. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Start by prepping tomatoes. Drain canned tomatoes into a colander. Remove seeds from and roughly chop fresh tomatoes. Set aside. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other game day recipes. We hope you find them tasty. Also, subscribe below and click on notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Place refried beans into a large bowl. Mash them with a fork. Place Fritos bean dip into a bowl. Fully combine beans with bean dip. Spread bean mixture into the bottom of a small square or rectangular baking dish. This is layer 1. Place guacamole into a separate bowl. Squeeze fresh lime juice over guacamole. Combine lime juice into guacamole. Spread over bean mixture. This is layer 2. Do you prefer to use fresh avocados over pre-made guacamole dip? Tell us. Leave your response in the comments below the video. In a third bowl, add sour cream. Also add mayonnaise and taco seasoning. Whisk to combine. Spread over guacamole. This is layer 3. Combine cheddar cheese with pepper jack cheese. Sprinkle over cream cheese mixture. This is layer 4. Before we add our veggie layers, like and share this recipe. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Slice olives. Sprinkle over cheese. This is layer 5. Layer 6, grab tomatoes and sprinkle over olives. For layer 7, slice green onions. Sprinkle over tomatoes. 7 layers of delicious. You can also eat this dip in single serving bowls. Just remember to eat it with tasty tortilla chips. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.